Hello friends, Devopriya here. Today I'm gonna discuss about 5 most helpful mobile apps which helps you to be productive and reach your goals. We all use smartphones and the apps I am talking about are absolutely free and available on Google Play Store. Number 1, To-Do list. This app is an absolute for all students and as well as working persons. It gives us a clear idea about our day or weekly or monthly plan. Number 2, Timetable Planner. Just like making to-do list is important, working according to it is more important. So, Timetable Planner will give you a clear idea to execute your plans in proper time of the day. Number 3. Rather than sharing your thoughts with others, it's much more efficient to share your thoughts with your own mind, with yourself. So here comes the third app, the Diary app. And I am talking about Diary with Lock. It's a really very important app. It helps you to share your thoughts with yourself and to be more productive and as well as to express your thoughts in a very nice way. So I prefer Diary app to be the most important app in my phone, and it has really decreased my activeness in social media because I share my thoughts with the diary rather than sharing it with my friends. And I think that diary can be your best friend because it's not going to tell your secrets with others. So please, diary app is a must in your phone. Number 4, the Forest app. It's a beautiful app. Your motivation will help you to grow plants and even forests. And when you will get demotivated, your plants will die. That's why this app is very much interesting and as well as it will keep you motivated. Forest app is a must try for all students. Now we are moving on to our 5th app, and it's Pedometer, the step counter. In this quarantine period, we all are closed in our homes and we can hardly do exercises and can motivate our mind to do exercise. But Pedometer is really a very efficient app for those who don't prefer physical exercise so much, because Pedometer is an app which will count your steps and your calorie loss. So you can try Pedometer and it will give you results. And I have a goal of 7,000 steps per day and I try to walk more than that, and it's really helpful because whenever you will walk you have to hold that in your hand or in your pocket. The app will count your steps, and it really helped me to maintain my weight because I was overweight, and before quarantine I lost about 12 kgs of weight. So in this quarantine I may gain weight, but this app really helped me to maintain my weight and keep that constant weight. But the fact is that I have personally used these 5 apps from past 4 months and they are really very much helpful. They have helped me to achieve some of my goals which I really wanted, and this quarantine period it's really helping me. So I shared this story. I think you enjoyed this video, and if you do, then please like, share and comment, and please don't forget to hit the